Hello Jira users. In this tutorial we will introduce the 12 chart types supported by the Performance Objectives app for Jira, and provide tips to help you choose the best chart type for your Jira data. Let's start with bar and column charts. Our Performance Objectives and Multi-Metric Combined Chart gadgets support the two most common ways to display data visually, bar and column charts. Bar charts are great for comparing Jira data, providing clarity and ease of use. Our app takes it a step further, allowing you to group, stack bars, and include targets to track your goal progress in Jira. Moving on to line and area charts. You can find these charts in our Performance Trend, Multi-Metric Trend, Change History, and Multi-Metric Combined gadgets for Jira. Line charts are an invaluable tool for illustrating trends, peaks, dips, and correlations within your Jira data over time. Moreover, you can set targets into both line and area charts, allowing you to closely monitor your progress towards goals in Jira. Now, let's explore the next widely used chart type, pie and donut charts. Ideal for visualizing data as segments or percentages of a whole. Inside our versatile circular gadget you will also discover Sunburst, Windrose and Radial bar charts. These charts provide the flexibility to incorporate up to 3 levels of data and to group or stack data for insightful and visually engaging graphs in Jira. Let's move on to scatter plots. By showcasing individual data points, they uncover patterns and outliers. With our app you can take your scatter plot to the next level, by transforming it to a bubble chart, introducing a third dimension to your Jira chart. Moving on to heat maps. These charts can enhance your project management by providing a visual representation of user behavior over time, allowing you to identify peak support request hours, for example, or generate detailed work log time reports in Jira. Finally, leverage our app's tree map charts to present hierarchical Jira data. Or consider the Venn diagram for illustrating intersections and logical relationships between sets of items within Jira. You'll find both chart types and their respective dedicated dashboard gadgets within the Performance Objectives app.